What is it? Open it up.
I can't.
You can't. Maybe Daddy will open it.
So,
Can you open it?
stay away from Benadryl.
Yes. Yes. There you go.
What else is in there? Why don't you open it up and see what it is?
What?
Pull it all out. Just
Oh, what's that? Oh,
Oh,
oh, oh, do it over the table. Open it over the table.
what's this?
Chocolate. No, not that. That's a prize. That's chocolate. How's that?
Yum.
Is what?
Yummy.
It's yummy. Mmm.
But what if I take it out? I can eat it.
Yeah, you can eat that. Can you make me try a piece? Mmm. Oh, that's delicious, huh? Do you like that?
What's in here?
It's a trick. It's a prize. Can you open it?
Mm-mm.
No?